Selamat malam. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to our Department of Social and Cultural Anthropology at the University of Vienna. And I would especially like to welcome His Excellency Damusumoli Agusman, Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to Austria and Slovenia, and also permanent representative to the United Nations and other international organizations in Vienna. Thank you for coming, and especially because I heard that it is your wife's birthday today. Ibu Ernita, unfortunately, she couldn't come, and if we had known earlier, we would have provided a birthday cake. But I would also like very warmly welcome representatives of the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education in Indonesia, and they are in Indonesia, and as you know, there's a time difference of 5 hours, so it is very late in Indonesia, and so I would like to welcome Mr. Hafiz Muksin. He is Kepala Badan Pengembangan dan Pembinaan Bahasa, so from the Language Development Center, and Mr. Iwa Lukmana, also head of the Center for Language and Literature Empowerment, Mr. Doni Setiawan, head of the Division for Partnership and Language Diplomacy, and Mr. Yusuf, head of the team for BIPA, and BIPA is the language course we're teaching, or our teachers teach here at the university. I would also like to welcome and extend my gratitude to the staff of the embassy, especially to Ms. Nyoman Yatmi Pravita Devi, the first secretary, and she and her staff have done a wonderful job bringing everything here, and afterwards you will see that you can also taste some nice Indonesian food. And then, of course, our teachers, because you will hear what happened in last semester, in the summer semester of 2025, where Ms. Adisti Dwiyani and Ms. Johanna Nirmalasari were teaching, and they provided a video with a summary of the courses they were teaching. And this semester we have Ms. Yunita Sinaga and Mr. Valentino Eric Latu Papua. Ms. Yunita comes from East Kalimantan, and Mr. Valentino from Ambo of the Moluccas. And we are also very grateful having teachers here from Eastern Indonesia who show us different parts of Indonesian culture and specialties. But last but not least, of course, I would also like to welcome Professor Janina Meyer-Kehr, the head of our department, that I know it is a very, very busy time now, but that she has taken her time to come here, and the same goes, of course, to the deputy head of department, Professor Sandrine Verstappen. And I already said last but not least, but there is another last but not least, because we also have another guest from abroad, Professor Emeritus Toon van Meel from Radboud University in Nijmegen, and it just happened that he is here at the moment, and also his wife Anke. And I said, why don't you come to this event, and learn a little bit about Indonesian culture. So thank you very much. Just let me briefly say a few more sentences, a few more words. This semester we have 4 classes or 4 levels of different A1, A2, B1 and B2, and a conversation class and a culture class, and last but not least also a children's class. So we have quite a wide range of different opportunities to learn about Indonesia and to learn the language. except the kids class and the B2 class. All other classes are held in the classroom here at the university. And this gives the students the opportunity to get to know each other, but also to get their teachers. We have about 65 registrations, amongst them 24 students. So I think we can be quite happy about the number of registrations. And this is really the last that I know my role here is to be the moderator, but I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to Your Excellency and all the staff of the Embassy, and who have done a major job in organizing the language courses over the years and have persisted and not given up even during the hard times of the pandemic. Also we, my colleagues, our students and I have been invited and been hosted at the Embassy at innumerable occasions. And what I have appreciated most over the years is the hospitable and generous attitude, atmosphere, and your sense of humor, which makes hard work easier. Thank you very much. So, now enough of my talking. I would like to hand over to Ibu Adisti Dwijani and Ibu Johanna Nirmalasari, who unfortunately cannot be with us in person, but they should, they are behind me. And Ibu Adisti, Ibu Johanna, dipersilakan. Terima kasih.
Tangan ke atas, tangan ke samping, tangan ke depan, duduklah yang melihat.
Saya mau berwisata ke Sumatera, Indonesia untuk jungle trekking dengan orang hutan.
Wah, bagus sekali. Selamat bersenang-senang.
Makasih kakak. Aku mau memanaskan makanan aku, tapi aku hanya punya kotak logam. Akankah itu berhasil?
Dilarang masukkan kotak logam ke dalam microwave. Bisa berbahaya.
Anakku, kau pulang juga akhirnya.
Siapa kau, Nita tua? Jangan mengaku aku sebagai ibuku.
Minggu yang lalu
ini berlaku kepada semua orang dan
dengan request untuk bikin puisi, Padlet yang cantik ku isi. Sangat sulit tapi harus saya coba menulis dengan tulus.
Ya, saya sangat menikmati kelas semester ini dan saya sekarang sedikit sedih karena sudah selesai. Tapi ya, saya senang karena saya belajar banyak dan bertemu dengan teman-teman.
halo konco-konco, kulo pengen dodoake pengalaman kulo. Semester lalu saya mengikuti kelas Bahasa Indonesia B2 dan saya sangat menikmati kelas itu. Kelasnya interaktif dan menyenangkan sehingga tidak hanya kemampuan bahasa tetapi juga pemahaman budaya saya meningkat dengan cepat. Untuk para pembelajar yang akan mengikuti kelas-kelas bahasa semester ini, saya ingin mengucapkan semangat belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Halo semua, saya Niklas dari Jerman. Semester lalu, saya ikut kursus BIPA dari Libur bersama Baikana. Turnya bagus, pertama dan mampu menciptakan suasana yang bagus untuk belajar. Saya selalu senang setiap kali belajar sesuatu yang baru untuk berkomunikasi bersama teman-teman atau mengenal budaya Indonesia. BIPA di hati, terima kasih untuk semuanya.
Saya sangat menyukai kelas semester ini karena saya belajar lebih banyak tentang bahasa dan budaya Indonesia.
Kelas bahasa Indonesia selalu menyenangkan dan tidak pernah membosankan.
Ayo
belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Ayo belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Ayo belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Dan jangan lupa, BIPA selalu di hati.
BIPA selalu di hati. Selalu di hati.
Selalu di hati.
Sampai jumpa di Sampai jumpa.
Yeah, Ibu Adisti, would you like to introduce yourself?
Selamat malam Bapak dan Ibu yang saya hormati. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Adisti. I was teaching BIPA for kids level A1 and A2. It's a great honor to welcome His Excellency Dr. Iordamos Dumoli Agusman, Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia to Austria, Slovenia, and International Organization in Vienna, the Honorable Mr. Hafiz Muksir, Head of Agency for Language Development and Cultivation, the Honorable Mr. Iwa Lukmana, at the Center for Language and Literature Department. My greetings as well to Mr. Dormi Setiawan, Head of Division for Partnership and Language Diplomacy, and a warm greeting to Mr. Ius Yusuf, Head of Team for BIPA, the Honorable to Prof. Mac Dr. Yanina Melenker, Head of the Department of Social and Cultural Anthropology at the University of Vienna. A warm welcome to Ibu Gabriel, BIPA Coordinator at the University of Vienna. A warm welcome as well to Ibu Vita, BIPA Coordinator at the Indonesian Embassy. And my warm regards to all Indonesian language teachers and BIPA students who are here with us today. So, it is an incredible honor to be part of this special event today and to have had the opportunity to teach BIPA in Austria. Teaching BIPA in Austria has been such a wonderful experience for me. I would like to say a big thank you, terima kasih banyak to all the students for your enthusiasm in joining the Bahasa Indonesia classes. I hope you have not only learned the language, but also experienced the beauty of Indonesian culture during the previous semesters. There have been so many wonderful moments, from classroom activities to cultural events, laughter, and stories we shared together. I truly hope you enjoyed the classes as much as I did. And I would also like to express my gratitude to all colleagues and staff at the Embassy of the Republic of Indonesia, the University of Vienna, and the Center for Language and Literature Department for their amazing support in Bahasa Indonesia classes last semester, which ran successfully. My thanks also go to my fellow BIPA teacher, Ibu Yohana. Thank you for the great teamwork and cooperation. And finally, I'm very happy to welcome the new teachers who will continue sharing the joy of learning Bahasa Indonesia and its culture, Ibu Yunita dan Bapak Valentino. Selamat bertugas semester ini. And then I would also like to warmly welcome all the past students of the winter semester. Welcome and enjoy learning Bahasa Indonesia and culture. I hope this will be a joyful and meaningful learning experience for all of you. Again, once again, terima kasih banyak untuk semuanya. BIPA selalu di hati. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much, Ibu Adisti. And please, Ibu Yohana, would you also like to say a few words?
Oke, selamat sore semua. Please introduce myself. Nama saya Yohana. Saya dari Malang. Dan yang terhormat kepada Bapak Dr. Iur Damos Dumoli Agusman, Duta Besar Republik untuk Austria, Slovenia, dan Organisasi Internasional di Wina. Yang terhormat Bapak Hafiz Muksin, SSMSI, Kepala Badan Pengembangan dan Pembinaan Bahasa. Yang terhormat Bapak Iwa Lukmana, Kepala Pusat Pemberdayaan Bahasa dan Sastra. Bapak Doni Setiawan, Kepala Bidang Kemitraan dan Diplomasi Bahasa. Bapak Ius Yusuf, Ketua Tim Kerja BIPA. Profesor Dr. Yanina Melanker, Kepala Departemen Antropologi Sosial dan Budaya Universitas Wina. Ibu Gebi yang terhormat dan Ibu Vita serta pengajar BIPA dan rekan-rekan sekalian. Selamat sore. First of all, I'm grateful to be able to meet with you all even if it is online. I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me to teach in Austria. I would also like to thank everyone who has helped me in completing BIPA classes, both offline and online. Ibu Vita, Ibu Adasa, Ibu Adisti, Ibu Gebi, thank you for all the support from the Pusdaya team and the Indonesia Embassy in Vienna. I'm also very grateful for the warmth we have built together. The BIPA class is not only my place to learn, but also a place to share story and laughter. Even though I teach until late at night and sometimes feels very sleepy, I'm very happy to go through this process. BIPA is not only my passion, but also a place to find my BIPA family. I'm grateful to have met such wonderful people, such as like Mbak Sandra from Germany or Mr. Joseph and the other from Hungary who came to visit me in Malang. Every moment in class or during our meeting truly showed how warm our cross-cultural friendship are. I'm also grateful to have met students who are always active, curious, and bring positive energy to the classroom. My hope is that this is not a farewell, but the beginning of new encounters or new collaborations. I hope that one day I can meet you all again in Austria, whether as a teacher, a friend, or perhaps just to share a story over a cup of coffee. Thank you for your hard work, enthusiasm, and warmth. I'm proud to have been a part of the BIPA learning journey in Austria. And then I say that selamat bertugas Bapak Valen dan Ibu Yunita. Kelas BIPA Austria sangat bagus sekali dan sangat berkesan untuk saya dan Ibu Adisti. Dan selamat berjuang. BIPA selalu di hati. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you very much, Ibu Yohana, Ibu Adisti, And also thank you for the video that you put together, which gives us a glimpse how the language courses have functioned, and it looks they are having fun, even the children. I would now like to invite Mr. Hafiz Muhsin, Kepala Badan Pengembangan dan Pembinaan Bahasa, to say a few words to Bapak Hafiz. Dipersilakan memberi sambutan. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, because this is an Bahasa Indonesia learning class, so I will use Bahasa Indonesia. Selamat sore, good evening. Yang mulia, Duta Besar luar biasa dan berkuasa penuh Republik Indonesia untuk Austria, Bapak Damos Dumolti Agusman. Yang saya hormati Koordinator Fungsi Penerangan Sosial dan Budaya, Ibu Nyoman Yatmi Pravita Dewi, Kepala Departemen Sosial dan Antropologi Budaya, Universitas Wina, Profesor Janina Melonkar, pengajar BIPA, Bapak Valentino dan Ibu Yunita Sinaga, dan juga Ibu Adisti Dwiani dan Ibu Yohana Nirmala. Terima kasih yang sudah bertugas luar biasa, juga teman-teman dari Badan Bahasa. Pertama, saya menyampaikan apresiasi, terima kasih, dan selamat atas pembukaan program pengajaran Bahasa Indonesia bagi penutur BIPA di Wina, Austria pada hari ini. Tentu saya berharap semoga dapat berjalan dengan menyenangkan, kemudian memberikan manfaat bagi pembelajar BIPA di Wina. Terima kasih Yang Mulia Duta Besar beserta seluruh staf atas dukungan fasilitasi yang luar biasa, sehingga keberlanjutan program Bahasa Indonesia bagi penutur asing di Wina dapat terus berlangsung dengan baik, dan saya harapkan dapat bermanfaat yang seluas-luasnya. Sekali lagi saya ucapkan terima kasih pula kepada Ibu Adisti Dwiani dan Ibu Yohana Nirmala yang telah melaksanakan tugas dengan baik, dan tentu tadi praktik pembelajaran yang kita lihat bersama sungguh sangat mengesankan. Yang kedua, saya ingin sampaikan bahwa bahasa Indonesia tentu sekarang bukan lagi sebagai simbol persatuan bangsa Indonesia, namun kini telah bersiap untuk tampil di panggung dunia. Sekarang ini bahasa Indonesia telah digunakan sebagai bahasa resmi di sidang umum UNESCO. Tentu ini akan membawa bahasa Indonesia terus maju di panggung internasional. Dan pada tahun ini adalah tahun kali pertama bahasa Indonesia akan digunakan dalam pidato sidang umum UNESCO oleh Menteri Pendidikan Dasar dan Menengah Indonesia dalam forum tersebut. Tentu pencapaian ini saya harapkan bisa meningkatkan motivasi pembelajar bahasa Indonesia agar bisa belajar dengan baik, ya, dengan semangat, karena peluang untuk menggunakan bahasa Indonesia dalam forum-forum internasional sudah terbuka lebar. Yang kedua, bahasa Indonesia juga terus berkembang menjadi alat, ya, dan media untuk ilmu pengetahuan dan teknologi. Pada tahun ini pula sekarang sudah dibuka program Bahasa Indonesia dan Sastra Indonesia di salah satu universitas tertua di Timur Tengah, yaitu di Universitas Al-Azhar, Kairo, Mesir. Pada semester ini lebih dari 300 mahasiswa baru yang menggunakan masuk dalam program, namun juga dari berbagai negara yang belajar di Universitas Al-Azhar. Tentu ini mencerminkan bagaimana bahasa Indonesia dapat dipelajari tidak hanya di Indonesia, namun juga di perguruan tinggi terkenal di dunia. Yang keempat, saya ingin sampaikan bahwa Badan Pengembangan dan Pembinaan Bahasa atau Badan Bahasa akan senantiasa mendukung penuh upaya pembelajaran bahasa Indonesia bagi penutur asing di BINA. Semoga dukungan fasilitasi dalam penyediaan guru atau pengajar ini dapat kita berikan yang terbaik ya. Tentu dalam hal ini saya berharap Bapak Valentino dan Ibu Yunita nanti akan memfasilitasi ya, para pembelajar di BINA ini dengan baik dan akan dapat meningkatkan pengetahuan berbahasa Indonesia, juga informasi pengetahuan tentang budaya, tentang seni dan keindahan alam Indonesia. Semoga sekali lagi aktivitas belajar bahasa Indonesia ini dapat berlangsung dengan lancar, dengan sukses, dan dapat membantu pengetahuan teman-teman semuanya. Demikian sambutan yang saya sampaikan. Terima kasih Yang Mulia atas kesempatan dan kebersamaannya. Juga saya sampaikan kepada para peserta belajar ya, dengan baik. Semoga sukses. Happy learning, good luck, and success. Terima kasih, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih Pak Hafiz. And now we move to perhaps the entertaining part, to the cultural part. And two of our current teachers have prepared some songs, I think, and as well as dances. And yeah, Bapak Valentino Eric Latu Papua, he will sing us something. Am I correct?
Terima kasih Ibu Gabriela. Ya, Dr. Naben, selamat malam semuanya. Semoga lagu ini Anda semua suka ya. I hope you will like this song about Indonesia. Kan terkenang selama hidupku, biarpun saya pergi jauh, tidak akan hilang dari kamu. Tanahku yang ku cintai, engkau ku hargai.
Ibuku Indonesia,
sehangat matahari di timur laut. Indonesia, tanah dengan 1000 cerita, dari repa, tarian, sampai bahasa yang indah, seperti lagu. Setiap pulau seperti puisi yang bernyawa, membuat siapapun ingin kembali dan meninggalkan cintanya di sana selamanya.
Banyak negeriku jalani, yang masyhur permai di kata orang, tetapi kampung dan rumahku, di sanalah ku rasa senang. Tanahku tak ku lupakan, engkau ku
Orang Maluku begini ya. People from Moluccas, they are known, they can sing and they practice singing, I think, since they are small children. So something we could also take as, how do you say, as a Vorbild, no? Perhaps Ton, you can translate it. Example, yeah. So, but I don't want to let our dancer wait long, and yeah, Ibu Yunita Sinaga, and as I said, she comes from Kalimantan, but she has roots in Sumatra, so Orang Batak, so she's her family is from Batak, so she will dance 2 dances. The first one is from Batak, so this is North Sumatra, and the second one from East Kalimantan. So I hope you will enjoy, I'm sure you will enjoy.
Enggang is a traditional dance of the Dayak Kenyak people from East Kalimantan, Indonesia. It tells the story of Dayak ancestors who came down from the sky as Enggang birds and then became humans. The dance movements imitate the graceful flight of the bird, showing beauty, respect for nature, and harmony. Dancers wear traditional Dayak clothes with Enggang feathers and are accompanied by sape music.
My name is Yunita Sinaga. I come from East Kalimantan, and I know that everyone, Bali. But you don't know that in Indonesia there are many beautiful islands, and Borneo is Kalimantan.
I came from Ambon, Maluku, at the eastern part of Indonesia.
Yeah, so we are here to be Indonesian teacher for this semester, and we are here not only to teach about Bahasa Indonesia,
but also culture.
So we want to show you about the beautiful of Indonesia through the dance, through the song, through the instruments, through the movie, through the literature.
To the poem.
Many interesting culture from Indonesia.
Sure.
So if you want to come, please come to the embassy.
Genau.
You should come every Thursday at 6 p.m.
Every Thursday at 6 p.m.
You will meet us and learn all about Indonesia culture.
We will cook together.
Cooking class.
Indonesian food.
Welcome to our semester. So if you have friends or any family who want to learn Bahasa Indonesia, please come to our class, because we have the class from kids and then beginner until advanced level.
Genau.
Well, Pak Halandino, we have some quiz.
Okay,
so let's try. So, Bapak Ibu,
do you bring any
I bring something, but let's try. So, Bapak Ibu, so when I say, no need. When I say, so in Bahasa Indonesia, morning is pagi. Okay, pagi. If I say pagi, everyone must clap one time. Okay, let's practice. Pagi. Okay. When I say siang,
twice.
Siang. When I say malam, it means evening or night. Please
do nothing.
No clap. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's try this. Okay. Pagi, siang, malam. Careful.
Any sound?
Okay, that's just example. Let's try, okay?
Okay, let's try. Okay.
Pagi, siang, malam. Next, pagi, siang, malam. Come, it's okay. Here, okay. We need two more.
Two more, yeah? Okay.
Pak Ambassador, you can try here. Pak Ambassador will say pagi, siang, malam, pagi, siang, malam. And we'll check.
Yeah.
Okay?
Here is your microphone. Pagi, malam.
At the front? Yeah, at the front, malam, no clap. Okay. Okay. Ya. Satu lagi ya. Oke. Oke, Pak Ambassador.
Satu lagi.
Malam.
Pagi, siang, malam. Pagi, malam.
I have bad enforcement.
You have a good motor.
Yeah, it was very fast, but not the red one.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. We have to wait for her. Hello.
Yeah. So what you are going to do is you introduce yourself in Bahasa Indonesia. Oh, we have facts. I have facts. So I think from you first.
Das sagt es. Nama saya Malina. Saya dari Vienna, Austria. Aku cantik banget.
Terima kasih. Ini dari Kalimantan Timur. It's Borneo.
Dan ini juga dari Indonesia.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Ini juga for you.
Dan ini ada susu jahe. Ya. Terima kasih. Oke, selanjutnya. Oke. Your name, where you come from, and
Germany, aku ganteng banget.
dari Kalimantan Timur untuk kamu. Dan
So, aku ganteng banget means?
I'm so handsome. Oh, you're so handsome. Terima kasih.
He's my nephew, by the way.
Oke, yang ini terakhir.
Nama saya Yanina. Saya dari Jermania. Aku cinta bahasa Indonesia.
Terima kasih. Ada lagi Pak Valentino? Kita pulang aja. Baik, demikian dari kami. That's all from us, and we are very happy being here in Vienna. It's really beautiful, and the students, they are very active in my class. Thank you so much. You're so lovely, and the friends, the team from Ambassador, also very nice to me. Thank you so much. And what else?
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend. Danke.
As you can see, our teachers are perfect ambassadors of culture. And I hope many of you will be inspired to join the so-called culture class at the embassy. You don't have to go there every week, so whenever you have time, you're welcome to go there 6 o'clock on Thursdays. Yeah. And if you have any more questions, you can ask either the teachers or staff at the embassy or write me an email. But I think we have the Lagu Lagu, no? Don't we have a video recording from the students? Students from A1 class, so from the beginners. So we have very musical teachers and students this semester, I think. I mean, the teachers are always musical, but this time also the students. But also I would like to thank, is anything else? I would like to thank Julia Leonhardsberger. She read the poem before. She's also in the A1 class, so I think she did very well. I would ask the ambassador to say a few words first. Thank you. Sorry for letting you
Selamat malam Pak Muksin, Bapak Kepala Badan, Ibu Adista dan Ibu Yohana. Selamat pagi subuh, saya kira di Jakarta ya, Fru Morgan in Jakarta. Terima kasih Ibu Gabriel, and I recognize also Professor Yaina Ker and Professor Toenmael van Nijmegen, Holland. Ik dank u.
Recording in progress.
Voor uw bezoek. And as a token of appreciation to the University of Wien, I also tried to a bit make my short speech in Germany. So ich hoffe, ich kann meine Kurzrede vollständig beenden. Zu Beginn meiner Rede möchte ich der Universität Wien, insbesondere dem Institut für Kultur und Sozialanthropologie, meinen herzlichen Dank für die hervorragende Zusammenarbeit bei der Ausrichtung des Kurs Indonesische Sprache für Ausländerinnen aussprechen. Es geht, ja? So. Dieses Programm ist seit 2018 eine enorm wichtige Brücke, die die zwischenmenschlichen Beziehungen zwischen Indonesien und Österreich stärkt. Vielen Dank, dass Sie uns für dieses Semester Ihre Räumlichkeiten und Ihre Standort zur Verfügung gestellt haben. I'm very glad that I can finish my words completely. So, of course, this is for the for a number of time that we have these opening sessions, and I'm very glad that now many students get interested in the Bahasa. So for sure, not only you facing difficulty in Bahasa, even for me, sometimes I can speak, but I cannot explain to you grammatically or the structure. So please fight for it. I mean, don't give up. I know that Bahasa is also a language that a bit, that is also very romantic, if I may say, compared to other language. Because in Bahasa, you always speak not directly, but sometimes you can say something but meaning differently. So that's what Bahasa means. Especially that Bahasa also very much influenced by the Javanese culture. So Ibu Gabriel, when diplomat come to Jakarta, they always study Bahasa in Yogyakarta. And then my curiosity come they should learn bahasa in Yogyakarta instead of Pekanbaru, where the bahasa came from. Yeah. Why should Yogyakarta? And then they say, I want to learn bahasa language with the Javanese thinking. So, because this is about indirect nature of bahasa. And I would like also to emphasize what Pak Muksin has already said, that UNESCO now has already provided bahasa as one of the official language. So my Minister of Education will make a speech in UNESCO with bahasa Indonesia. And then the second news that I got also from Bapak Muksin, that in University of Al-Azhar in Cairo, I think it's in Cairo, correct me if I'm wrong, bahasa Indonesia also already being one of the language being taught in University of Al-Azhar. So again, bahasa should not be only considered from anthropology perspective, but the future also there in bahasa means that bahasa maybe become language that's spoken by people in number, at least in number, because we have 2,080 million people speak bahasa. So can you imagine that bahasa has been spoken by many people in the world. And then I don't forget to explain, to share with you that Indonesia also provide the scholarship Dharma Wangsa. Dharma what? Oh, Dharma Siswa. Sorry, I'm already too long in Austria, so I forgot the name. Dharma Siswa. Dharma Siswa, you have opportunity to get scholarship and come to Indonesia in the various places there, just not only to learn about bahasa, but also the culture. And of course, we welcome you to the embassy for the additional lecture for Lesung from the two new teachers that coming here. So again, we are very pleased to see you again in the many forum of bahasa. So thank you Pak Muksin atas partisipasinya, telah mengirimkan 2 orang guru yang sangat talented. Semoga program ini tetap berlanjut karena Ibu Gabriel juga akan tetap bersedia untuk melanjutkan program ini dengan baik. But I'm now Ibu Gabriel, I'm now very worried now, knowing the two teachers, they sing and they dance. I'm very worried at the end of the semester, they can only sing and dance rather than speak bahasa. So please control the lecture. And for the last, I like to thank you for your birthday words for my wife. My wife is not being scheduled to be here, but I share with you my experience, just a bit tips for you, especially husband. If you want to remember your wife's birthday, I have a very good tips. Just forget once. Forget only one time. You will remember forever. That's what I have done. Thank you very much and
thank you, Ambassador. And now, as I said, I was a bit confused about the order of the program, but we have another dance now by one of our students, Andrea Jelita Torgersen, and she will dance a dance from Jakarta, from Betawi, and please welcome Andrea.
Kita pada telah tertimbun ikan tembang sayur santan daripada air melamun mendingan anda.
Saya suka jus alpukat. Saya bersari dari kelas A1. Kami akan bernyanyi harta yang berharga. Terima kasih.
Oke, nyaring dan semangat, oke? Oke, saya di tengah aja boleh. Ya. Siap, semangat ya.
Yang paling berharga adalah
But you have to know, I mean, for those who are not part of the classes, that the classes only started last week, you know, so it's only the second week. You can all be very proud of your achievements, and also thank you to our teachers. And we are heading towards the end of our little celebration, our event. But before that, of course, I would like to invite the head of our department, Professor Janina Bejarker, to say a few words also on behalf of the department and on behalf, of course, of the leadership here. Thank you.
Thank you, Gabi. Salam malam, everyone. Selamat datang to our Department of Social and Cultural Anthropology. We are really honored to have the visit of Your Excellence, the Ambassador of the Republic of Indonesia, Dr. Agusman, and your wonderful colleagues here tonight with us to open a new year of Bahasa language classes. So I'm very happy to meet all of you in person for such a colorful and diverse event and program. And since the pandemic, we have only been meeting online actually and have sent video messages, so it's really great to have you all here tonight. So my dear colleague, Dr. Gabriele Weich, had already talked about the high number of enrollments of students tonight, which shows the really huge success of this long-standing and fruitful collaboration. So as you might know, in anthropology, we do research all over the world. So North America, South America, Africa, India, Southeast Asia also. And languages are really crucial for people to understand each other. And so we are really fortunate to be able to collaborate with the Indonesian Embassy and are really thankful that through this gives the opportunity to our students to actually learn about your beautiful language and also culture, as we have seen, through singing, through dancing. And Gabi, I'm sure she will make sure they not only learn to dance and sing after this year. So this collaboration is really very special because this is the only long-term collaboration we have in a language class. And this is also why I really want to thank again the Embassy's work and also the dedication of all the wonderful teachers. So last term we have had the honor to have the joyful presence and expertise of Ms. Adisti Dwiayani and Ms. Johanna Nivalasari, who we have seen online. So thank you very much again. It was a pleasure having you around. And this term, we have Ms. Yunita Sinaga, whom we have already seen dancing, singing with her energy. It's really great to have you here. And also Mr. Valentino Eric Latu Papua, whom we have heard beautifully sing also earlier. So thanks a lot to both of you. You have been traveling a long way to come to Vienna. It's your first time here, I believe. So really be very welcomed. We are really glad to have you around. But all this would, of course, not be possible with the relentless work and passionate engagement of Ibu Gabi Weichert. So, thanks a lot. And unfortunately, Gabi, despite the fact that she looks very young, has already, unfortunately, retired from our department, even if she's still luckily around for the classes to help us to be with our students and still affiliated with us. But it's also great to know that my vice head of department, Professor Sandrine Verstappen, starts to step into her footsteps, so to say, has already collaborations with Indonesian research partners and also has started to learn Bahasa. So I would just like to give you the word for a minute. And thank you again everyone for being here and be our guests tonight.
Okay, selamat malam, selamat datang di Universitas Wien.
senang bertemu Anda hari ini. Nama saya Sanderin, saya profesor di Universitas Wien. Saya juga mahasiswa bahasa Indonesia. Saya dari Belanda, dan hobi saya belajar bahasa. So I'm very happy to tell you that I completed the A1 course, the exam. Unfortunately, I have not been able to continue with the A2 course, but the reason for me to take the A1 course is that I worked in Asia for my research for a long time. I conducted research in India, I collaborated with researchers in China, and now I really hope to expand to do new research in the future in Indonesia and perhaps also in the Philippines. And the first step is to learn the language. I have collaborations in Yogyakarta with the UGM, the Gajah Mada University, but I cannot go to Indonesia for really serious long-term research if I don't speak the language. So I'm actually very grateful also, not only as a department, but as a researcher and anthropologist, that we have this wonderful opportunity. And I can really tell you from my experience that the program is excellent, because from the first class you were already talking with each other, you were chatting with each other, and at the same time learning deep grammar and vocabulary. So now I see a fellow student from my first year, so thank you very much for offering this opportunity to our department.
Thank you very much, Janina and Sanderin, for these kind words. And of course, we're very happy also that Sanderin wants to continue doing research in Indonesia. She already started doing something, as I know. And so I think more and more students will hopefully also be interested in the region. So before we really close the formal part of this event, I would like to invite the ambassador and Professor Janina Kehr and our teachers, Ibu Yunita Valentino, to officially open the language course. I don't think you have to say anything anymore. I'm not sure. Yeah, sure. You know.
I'll try not to break anything. 3 times.
Thank you very much. I think you did a great job. It worked well. Actually, I have to say, when I first saw the program and it said that the opening will be with the gong, which I know in the embassy it usually is done, and I only knew they had that big gong, you know, as it is used in Indonesia for ceremonial dance, etc. And I thought, are they going to bring this big gong, hundreds of kilos? But then Ibu Vita came with this very handsome little gong, and I think we have managed to do it here. So thank you very much to all of you who have come here, to all of you who have participated actively. Thank you very much also to our colleagues and Pa Hafiz from Jakarta, from the ministry in Jakarta. And we're also very grateful because it's, when you think of it, it's now almost past 8 o'clock plus 5 hours. So what time it is in Indonesia now? So please enjoy the night, have a good rest at the rest of the night, and terima kasih banyak atas kehadiran. Yes, and I think now you can all relax and please enjoy the wonderful food which I saw, which had been sitting there tempting. We were not allowed to taste anything. We just had pizza instead before that. take away pizza. But please, and have a drink and just mingle with each other and try your Bahasa Indonesia or your English or German or whatever. And yeah, have a great evening still. Thank you.